Today, there is a large problem occurring in America. Imagine a family, a low-income family, that needs life-saving drugs, but they can't obtain these drugs due to the high drug prices compared to other countries.
Prescription drug prices in the U.S. have proven to be higher than that of other countries. For example, take the prescription drug prices in Canada as compared to those in the U.S. All of the drug prices in the U.S. are so much higher than ones in Canada. And a lot of people agree that drug prices in the U.S. are unreasonable. In this figure, we look at annual per capita drug spending as of 2014, and you can see that the United States spends exponentially more money than a lot of other countries.
So we've showed you that there is a problem in the United States with drug prices. But one may ask, why is there this problem compared to any other country? Well, it's because of the unnecessary regulations that the FDA has imposed on the companies creating drugs. The first stage in these tests are in vitro studies, which take an average of 2 years. Then the drug moves to animal testing, which takes another 2 years. As you can see, the process for approving a drug is very long, and it takes an average of 8 to 9 years for a new application to be filed. For that reason, the patent period is very long, and because of all this, it incentivizes drug companies to charge extra money for their drug.
So, we've shown you that there is a problem in the United States, and we've shown you why that problem is occurring. High drug prices are a current ongoing issue in America, but how do we solve this issue? First of all, we would lower the patent times that are required for drugs from 20 years to a lower number that would allow competing companies to join the market and therefore lower drug prices. In addition to this, we would lower FDA red tape in order to allow drugs to come onto the market faster in order to promote more competition and lowered research costs. Lastly, we would implement country reciprocity for drugs. For example, if a drug is approved in the EU, then it will also be automatically approved in the United States. That would allow for a larger amount of drugs on the market and therefore would lower drug prices for the consumer.